You want something to eat? Nice.
You can't park in here?
You can, but there's no space. There's no space. I'm about to do a little tour, actually. You want to go through the back thing? Let's go around, actually, this way. There?
Oh, there he is.
You want to get something to eat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm kind of hungry, too. See, look, babe, this is a Mazda right here. This is an old Mazda. We're talking about, like, 80. This is, I think, a 90s? Maybe 80s. I forgot. 87, maybe 88. These cops are so cool. Yo, literally the guy didn't do anything, and there's a cop right over there. Doesn't even care. That's funny. Huh? I know, but just don't worry about it. I want to just get food. Let's wait for our friends to come here. You know? And then we could do all that. Got a Z, Infinity. It's a girl. It's a girl driving it. Sheesh, bro. Yeah, that thing's sick, dude. Is it turbo? Yeah, it is turbo. That sounds sick, bro. That's a turbo right there. I'm about to. Yeah, I should, right? The thing is, that guy's gonna park right there, bro. That other guy's gonna park right next to him. Yo, don't put those booty ass cars there. Put a real car. You know what I'm saying?
What if you park next to this guy?
Huh? Nah, I think he's gonna park there. Come on, man. You should put some nice, clean cars. Oh my god. Freaking piece of junk, bro. I'm not even recording that. Stop. Let's go. That's an Accord. That's my mom's car. Baby, this is the Miata I was telling you about.
I know.
You put a case lock in it. People do it. He says send air pics on the top of the thing. Because you can see it from the top. That's why he's saying that. Baby, look at this S2, bro. Oof. Fire right here. This thing's clean, bro. See, all Joel has to do is put rims on it, babe. Look. Joel puts rims on his car just like this one. Lowers it a little bit. That's it. Car's nice. You don't need to do much to this car. Yeah, this thing's nice. But yeah, this is my second time, baby, bringing the car ever. I know, down the shore. Well, I could park it right here, technically, I guess. I was like, I never knew that.
I felt fucking stupid.
Don't sleep on the beat series. That's all I got. Don't sleep on the beat.
Nah, bro, don't sleep on the beat.
I ran one with my hatch. I got it over here. Damn.
What hat you got?
The green one. It's a green one. I was in the park here, but these freaking scrubs. I'm like, what the hell?
Fuck, yeah, I know they just feel next, bro.
But then I ran a white turbo bubble. Didn't realize till after. I didn't really know the kid, but we raced. And then I hit him up after, like, yo, what you got? Because he kept up with me. I have a K series all motor. And he's like, yo, I got a B turbo. And he showed me. I'm like,
K24, K20?
yeah, K24, K20.
Cool.
But now I'm saying don't sleep because they move, yo.
Dude, show it out. Don't take it out, bro. It's in? It's in? You got it. Making sure. I thought this was a total. Yo, you still have the flash?
And you still got power steering?
What happened?
You still got power steering?
Yes.
That's funny.
My boy Billy knows the ins and outs.
Nice.
He's catless. Definitely.
Wait, he wants to run you?
Huh?
He wants to run you? Oh, I was gonna say. Not with a tire like that.
Yeah.
You need a tire too, you know?
I mean, I'm good. I mean, I could.
Well, you could probably, yeah, if you can feather
A
it.
little bit. High end.
Off a roll would be better for you.
Yeah, 40-roll brake boost.
Mm-hmm. He's all about acceleration.
Yeah, it is. I'm 2,300 pounds with me in it.
That's like, bro, my hatch is like 25.
Look at it
I have a
back.
hatch.
Check the back out.
Yo, fully gutted?
Yeah,
Can't even see it, all the tints, window tints. Sheesh, bro. Nada. Nothing. Ah, come on. First one, and then the second one, I got him.
Really?
Like, pretty much in the fourth, like fifth, it just got stuck, the lead. Like, it didn't move. I'm like, yo, his car's fast, yeah. But again, if my clutch wasn't slipping, I feel like I could have, the car wouldn't be falling back a little bit. Like, he inches me, like everyone inches me when I do that. I'm like, damn.
Yeah, that's what he said. He said he got you off the. He said like you were shifting slower.
Yeah, it sounds, yeah, cause it's slipping, bro. You can probably hear it. That's one thing I'm gonna upgrade soon though. Like, cause it is like 1,200 anyways. If I wanna upgrade, I'm like 1,200.
Oh, really?
The twin disc, so I wanna go twin disc.
Oh, because it goes big upgrade.
Yep. You brought your, oh no, you said you roll with him, right?
Yeah, I was like, I'm not doing this.
Just make sure the door's locked.
I'm not
There we
taking
go.
this 13 miles per gallon L anymore.
Damn, yeah, you're probably wasting hella gas. Yo, what is this, a rally car? What is this? He said it's a Corolla.
Yo.
It is, baby. What? Nice.
That Corolla's got rally heritage.
Yo, he gutted it too. There's nothing in it. What the hell?
Yeah, dude, he was freaking way too fast on the way here. He was like,
Oh, him?
yeah, he's insane, bro.
They got long gears though. Like the Honda is so short that like for me, I don't really do anything over 80 on 6 because it's like I'm $4,000 already doing like 4,000 RPM. I'm like, I'm not gonna be winding the whole time. Like just to do 100, I'm like, nah, I'm cruising, bro. Personal, that guy, like crazy. Yeah, but I want to run the Mustang back though. That's definitely gonna happen though. Cause also, where is he actually? Yeah.
I think he's over there.
Where? That way? I think these people are just trying to get warm. They just start the car to get warm,
It
yo.
was so bad that day at Wawa. Because Michael got in my car, you know.
Well, yo, you guys think you could do a quick little rev? Just a little one? A little rev, yo. Yo, what's your Instagram? You got Instagram?
Yeah, it's
Always the Nissans, bro. It's always the Infinities, yo. Always.
Everybody has an exhaust in their car.
Oh my god. Yo, everywhere, bro.
Oh my gosh.
What's up, everyone? Thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate every like, comment, and sub. None of you guys go unnoticed. Big shout out to all my subs for getting me past 500 and crushing that goal. Guys, I did also want to share a huge announcement as well. And right now, I'm currently working on launching my Patreon page in 4 weeks. It will be a chance to get more personal with my subscribers, give you guys perks, stay connected with me, a chance to see new videos before anyone else, and ultimately support me monthly, which will allow me to spend more time creating more content for you guys. Looking forward to launching in 4 weeks. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the launch. And again, let's keep growing, YouTube family.